I think we're live, huh? That was quick. So I am live on my phone. I have not gone Facebook, or this is, which live is this? This is YouTube live. This is my first YouTube live, technically. I did one a while ago, but no one showed up, and I'm feeling that that might be the case for this one. Anyway, so for this, if you head over to my Instagram page, SonofaPizzaMan, I did a recap of the Pizza and Pasta Northeast Expo that I went to last week. And I thought, let me just do it on here too, just in case you're not following me on Instagram, which you should. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick recap. So last week was the Pizza and Pasta Expo, and it's in Atlantic City, the convention center, and they do this. It's like this is the second year they do it, and it's kind of a precursor to the big pizza show, which is in Vegas in March. It's called the Pizza Expo, and it's put on by Pizza Today magazine, and I'm sure other people, but yeah, it's a really cool place for pizzeria owners to kind of connect and shop. So it's a bunch of food vendors, equipment vendors. There's a competition, the Caputo Cup, that goes on with this particular show. There's also a pasta competition, I believe. So that was cool. And yeah, it's just a cool place to kind of network and kind of do all that stuff. So speaking of networking, I also got to finally meet a few people that I've been talking to on social media, like Alberto from Forza Pizza. I met Dwight from Dwight's Animal Apparel, and who else? The Slice was there. I do some stuff for them, which was awesome to kind of put faces to names and all that stuff. And Scott Wiener, of course. So Scott Wiener is at every pizza event. He's awesome. If you don't know who Scott Wiener is, look him up. He runs pizza tours in New York City, and he also holds the Guinness Book World of Records for most pizza boxes, which is awesome. I think he's like over 1,000 now, which is insane. So yeah, I am really hot. Sorry, I'm like kind of like panting, but anyway, so yeah, it was a lot of fun, and the main reason for this video is I just kind of wanted to show you what I got at the expo. So this is my cool pizza badge, my official badge, and let's see what else. So when you get a ticket or whatever, they give you a goodie bag, basically. And there were two versions of this goodie bag. There was a red version, which is this guy, Forza Forni, which I guess they do ovens. So it's a really cool bag. It's good for shopping, for groceries and all that stuff, fun stuff. And then this bag, which is with all the stuff. I don't know which one I like better, actually. This is more like understated. The other one's more like fun and vibrant. So I'll probably use both of them, to be honest. So anyway, so the first thing that was in the goodie bag, besides there was a bunch of like informational stuff of like the schedule and where to find things and blah, blah, blah. But they included two Pizza Today magazines, which is really cool. I kind of geeked out with that. It's just about, the pizza industry, if you're not familiar. It's really cool. These are show issues. So I don't know if these are only available at the show or whatever. But anyway, really cool. Thank you, Pizza Today. Let's see what else. So also in the goodie bag was these gluten-free brownies. I'm not sure what this has to do with pizza, but they did have vendors there that I was like, okay, that kind of makes sense. I think I was just assuming that there would just be like sauce vendors, cheese vendors, toppings vendors, or I don't know, pepper vendors or whatever. But there were like other pizza related or restaurant vendors there that you don't necessarily think about with pizza, I guess. There were a ton of marketing people there, people that marketed to or did marketing for pizzerias, like social media, pizza box designers were there. So it's a whole mix of people. So the first thing I'll show you is this Whirl vegetable oil / dressing. So I guess it's butter flavored vegetable oil. So you can use this to fry stuff in, like chicken wings or whatever, but you can also bait marinate stuff with this. So I was like, oh, okay, that's interesting. But anyway, it expires at the end of the month, so I'll need to use this soon. Let's see what else. We also got some packets. So these like little packets that you get like with like pizza or whatever. The Pizza Packet, I guess, is the company name. And I was just intrigued by their packaging. I thought it was really cute and colorful, and I liked their whole aesthetic. So I picked up some of those. And I am also in the market for pans. I got this cute little coaster. It's a little metal coaster. So this is from Lloyd Pans. And I'm in the market for pans. I specifically want like square or square, rectangular pans for like Sicilian pizzas or grandma pizzas. I kind of want to get into that next. So hopefully that'll be in the horizon. Nutella was there, which is awesome. I got a little cute little hotel jar of Nutella, and they were also giving away a sample. They had like samples. A lot of these vendors also had either pizza samples or samples of their like cheese or their meats or their pizzas or whatever they were trying to sell. So we were very well fed. And then Nutella also had this little jump drive thing. So it's a bunch of recipes basically, but I was just intrigued by this cute little marketing piece. It's like a super thick card too. So they also had a paper version, but I opted for the geeky technical version. Let's see what else. Tabasco is there. I picked up a koozie from them. It's really cute. And this was awesome, I thought. So this is one of those tables that you put onto a pizza. So you put it on the pizza so the lid of the box doesn't like touch the pizza and stick to the cheese and all that stuff. You know what this is. But Tabasco added these little bottles of Tabasco sauce to the table. So they're giving away these samples, and I thought that was a genius idea. Chipotle, green pepper, and just regular Tabasco. So I thought it was adorable. Tabasco also, they were giving away a lot of stuff. They were also giving away these spatulas. So everyone needs a good spatula for serving pizza, or you can use it for pies or whatever. I thought that was cool. And then got some pens, some Udi's. Udi's was there. There was a ton of, there were a bunch of like gluten-free pizza companies there, and I tried a couple. They were pretty decent. So, and then this pepper pen, which I thought was adorable. It's from Tutto Calabria, and little pen. Boop. So that was cool. And then also Mike's Hot Honey was there. I've actually used Mike's Hot Honey on pizza, and it's really good. So they suggest pizza, fried chicken, cheese, teas, salads, ice cream. So anything you want a little kick with your honey flavor, Mike's Hot Honey. It's awesome. So and that's basically it. Then I got a bunch of like business cards and whatnot, but I think overall it was an awesome experience. I'm definitely looking forward to Vegas. I'm like 95% sure that I'm gonna go to the Vegas show. That's in March, and it's a longer time. It's like 3 days, which is crazy. But also in Vegas, they do, and I don't know if they did it for this one, but they have pizza tossing competitions, which I think is awesome and fun. And there's lots of like after show events, and I just really want to get in there and like network and kind of talk to people and meet people and all that fun stuff. So I'm hoping that it happens. But yeah, overall, good experience. And yeah, so also I did make up some like swag packets for people if I ran into them or if if I knew I was going to see them. And I have some left over. So it's basically these cute little boxes that I made. And what's in them is I have some stickers and pins and stuff made up. So this is the inside. So there's an enamel pin in there. There is a button, support your local pizzeria. There's a support your local pizzeria sticker. And then there is a SonofaPizzaMan button. And then a SonofaPizzaMan sticker. So I'm thinking about doing some kind of giveaway. I have 4 of these boxes left. So if you want one of these suckers, I'm gonna do something on Instagram. So if you aren't already, you should go to Instagram and follow me. It's SonofaPizzaMan77 is the account. I think if you just type in SonofaPizzaMan, it should come up. Just look for my logo. But yeah, I'm gonna do some kind of giveaway. And yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the interwebs. Ciao for now.